Some of you have been having trouble changing your current folder in MATLAB to make sure that you can access all the files that you need to. So folders that you're not in will look a little bit grayed out in this current folder area. So one easy way to change your current folder is to click this little folder icon that has a green arrow. This should pull up your Documents window or Finder if you're using a Mac. Then you can select, you can go and find the folder you want to make your current folder. So in this case, I'll choose this, Lecture 4 code. And these are all the files that I need to participate in Lecture 4. So then I click Open. And now you can see all these files show up in my current folder, and they're no longer grayed out, so that means I have access to them. So to open the MATLAB file, I can just double click on that file and it'll open in my editor. And now I can load these images if that's what I need to do, or access any other files that are in your current folder. I hope that helps.